Hello, so we're going to be using some leftover taco meat and we're going to be making a breakfast casserole. As you can see here, I've already got the meat ready. I just pulled it out of the freezer. I've oiled the casserole dish. I've also whisked up 4 eggs and we got some spinach, onion, and sour cream and seasoned tater tots. So we're gonna go ahead and get this started. And then what we're going to do also is, well, wait, let me do this first. All right, so I went ahead, as you can see, and laid out our tater tots. We are going to go ahead and mix in our meat, leftover meat. You know, this is a really good, quick breakfast recipe. I would always highly recommend. This was one of the first breakfast meals my kiddos really enjoy making themselves from time to time. We're gonna go ahead and also bop in cream cheese. Just so that way, you know, it doesn't dry out our meat. All right, now that we have our cream cheese, we're just gonna go ahead and bop in a few pieces of onion. And we're also going to sprinkle some chopped baby spinach. Perfect. And then we're going to go ahead and pour in our eggs. Perfect. We want to make sure that we have our, egg mix at the bottom. Okay, perfect. So what we're going to also do is add the rest of our baby taters. And I would recommend for you to have it, oven preheated for 350. And when you do it for 350, your bake time will be 30 minutes. So what we're going to do is go ahead and lay out the rest of our tater tots. And check on it periodically. This is a really good, quick, again, and easy way for breakfast. Okay. And cover it with foil. Perfect. And what we're going to do is go ahead and check back in on our breakfast casserole in about 30 minutes. We're going to go ahead and pop this in the oven. Perfect. All right. And we'll bop back in once we get this. Oh, it's kind of heavy. Okay, there we are. We're gonna go ahead and bop this in the oven. But yes, cover with foil, you guys, and then we'll pop in the oven. So let's do that and we'll check back in it on. All right, so we've already popped this out. I did go ahead and put the cheese onto the casserole, and I just turned the oven off and just let it just naturally melt, just, you know, in its temperature. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and cut it up and it be ready to go. You guys, let me know what you think of this quick, you know, taco breakfast casserole, and we'll do this again another time.